Hi guys, welcome. So today's video I'll be showing you guys my struggle with my hair. These are all my struggles. Like, I had no edges and this was my hair. I had to tint it to change the color. It started growing. I started using all these natural ingredients like the cloves and fenugreek seed and flax seed and the rest, and I started seeing results, but I still had struggles with my front edges. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you all the oil I'm using that is helping me out. This is one of the ingredients that is helping me out with my hair growth. Okay, so if this is what you're interested in knowing how I regrow my hair from being bald and how I regrow my hair from being short to reaching me in my lips, and I also had breakage. Like, growing your natural hair is not easy, but we keep on moving forward. So if you want to know how I got to this extent, the oil I used to get to this extent, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So guys, I will share with you all the oil I use on my natural hair that helped my hair to grow. Even my front edges, it helped it to grow out. I use this with all that natural ingredients. So please keep on watching. So guys, these are the ingredients I'm using. I'm using fennel seed, I'm using mint leaf, I'll be using rosemary, I'll be using cloves, I'll be using fenugreek seed, I'll also be using mustard seed, I'm using hibiscus flower, I'll also be using my Chebe powder, I'm using my lavender, I'll also be using my black seed, I'm also using Moringa, I'll be using this rose petals, and also be using star anise. So I'm going to combine all this together. Here is the oil. We'll be using coconut oil, we'll be using amla oil, I'll be using avocado oil. This is fresh avocado oil. I'll be using olive oil. Okay, these are the 4 oils we'll be using for this recipe. So these are all the recipe we'll be using, and in each of these is 1 tablespoon. Okay, I used 1 tablespoon for each of all this. Okay, so I'm going to put all this in a blender because we need it smooth. All right, so I'll blend this into a very smooth paste. As you all can see, if you're suffering from bald spot, like you have bald spot on your hair, this is going to help you out. If you're losing your hair, it's going to help you out. If you have alopecia, it's going to help you out. If your hair is not full, like you have thin edges and the rest, this oil is going to help you out. If you want to grow fuller hair, this oil is going to help you out. So guys, I'm just going to transfer this in my jar. Use a clean jar which is also sterilized. I use a clean jar. I'll transfer all this, then we'll add all our oils into this. Okay, so far I allowed this to sit for 30 days before I use it on my hair, because the longer it sits, the longer it's brings out the nutrient, and which helps for hair growth. If you want to use this quick and fast, you can use the double boiler method, and you can still, after using the double boiler method, you can be using it, then you still leave it to sit. Don't sieve out the stuff you put inside, like all the seeds we just blended. Okay, don't sieve this out, leave it inside the oil for it to keep on fermenting. The longer it ferments, the more potent this is going to help you on your hair. So I'm using a half cup of measuring cup to put all my oils. Okay, for the amla oil, I didn't use half cup. I think I used like a teaspoon of amla oil, thereabout. Yeah, so use as much oil you want, guys. You don't have a limited to the oils you want to use. You can use as much oil as you want on this recipe. Just blend these natural herbs together. The natural herbs are the most important thing, and guys, your hair will grow. This is a guaranteed, a very guaranteed hair growth oil that will help you to boost your hair. I hope this video is educative. I hope this video is, you'll learn 1 or 2 things in this video. Let me know in the comment section if you will try this. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hair video will be coming up once in a while, guys, just because the economy is becoming bad and cost of hair video goods are becoming really high, but we still keep on pushing forward. Okay, so I'll be dropping hair video once in a while. Please keep on engaging in all the vlogs and the rest of everything in my channel. I really do appreciate your love and your support, guys. I thank you all. So try this oil and you will come back and testify. Okay, I'll see you all in my next one. So this is what the oil looks like. So thank you for watching. Bye.